Hey guys, Sean here with Westcott Designs. Today's install, we're going to be doing our Westcott Designs bed stiffeners for the Toyota Tacoma 4th gens. So what we're going to want to start with is removing the taillights on both sides. It's going to make ease of access to get these backer plates put in. So what we're going to do is just remove the two 10mm bolts. And then on this side, it's got two tabs on the inside that just pull directly out. The bottom one comes out pretty easy. Top one's a little more difficult. You just want to make sure that you got even pressure as you're pulling them out. On the back side, we're going to have two electric clips as well as a plastic retaining clip down here. What you're going to want to do, it's got these little tabs on them. Just press them down. And then for this guy, it's just got two little clips on the inside. Just apply a little pressure on them. So next step, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to remove the bed bolts on both sides, just the rear ones, and then also the Torx bit head for the retaining ring here. Now that we've got the bed liner removed off the bolt itself, what you're going to want to do is take a razor blade and just kind of score underneath this washer, because what will happen as the bed bolt pulls out, it's going to end up taking a lot of the bed liner with it. The main bed bolt is a T55 Torx bit. All right, so next step, what we're going to want to do is pull out this D-ring. It's going to be a T40 Torx bit. So what we're going to want to do is place our bed stiffener down. You're going to want to line it up with where your D-ring was and where your main bed bolt was. Now the easiest thing to do is put your bed bolt back in. You don't have to go extremely tight with it. You just want to get it snug down. And we're just getting it to hold the stiffener in place. So the next step, you'll see there's 4 holes located on here. You're going to want to mark all those holes, and we're going to be drilling them out with the 3/8 drill bit. And then this guy's still got some play in it, which it will pull in towards the cab once you tighten it down. So you just want to make sure this is as vertical as possible. Once you have your holes marked, you can go ahead and pull the stiffener off again. All right, so what I like to do as an extra step is I'll take a center punch and I'll just mark the center of my holes. Just makes it a lot easier for drilling. All right, so what you're gonna wanna do with the D-ring, there's a little plastic retainer that just holds everything together. Pop that guy off. You're gonna take the stack off, and drop the stack inside there. Now for this part, you're gonna wanna put some downward force on it to try to get it to grab. Just get it kind of started, then you can go ahead and drop in your bed bolt. Same thing with this guy. Get it started, but you don't want to crank it all the way down quite yet. All right, now the next step is going to be placing the bolts through the bed into the back brackets. All right guys, if you're liking the video so far, you're learning anything, go ahead and give us a like or subscribe to our channel. Let's go ahead and get back to this install. All right, so before you put the back braces in, what you're going to want to do is make sure that these little tabs, these wings on here, the upper one, tab's going to be facing down, lower one, tab's going to be facing up. Because of that little cutout in there, this gives you something to grab onto and hold it both directions and prevent it from falling. There is a cutout inside here that the tabs are going to go up and through. All right, so now that we've got the side bolts in place, we're gonna move down and we're gonna go ahead and tighten these two guys down. All right, so next step, we're gonna go ahead and put our taillights back in, and we're just gonna reverse the process the way we took them out. All right guys, so that's how you install the Westcott Designs bed stiffeners on the 4th gen Toyota Tacomas.